Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Liden Denz live Russian lessons online program. These courses are a great way to learn Russian at home or on the go with the same quality Liden Denz offers at its language centres. The first thing you need to do is to go to the learnrussian.com main page and press the Get a Free Lesson button. Fill out all the required fields. After the registration, you will get an email with the verification link. By clicking on the link, you confirm your registration. Note that without clicking on that link, your registration is not considered complete. You can now retrieve your first free trial lesson or book one of our attractively priced packages. On the left side, you see the menu panel with 3 tabs: Lessons, Payments and Profile. Under the menu tabs, you can see the full information about your lessons and packages. On the white top bar, you can find some helpful information, such as your time zone, which you can easily change if needed. Here, you will also find your notification icons, as well as a link to frequently asked questions. In the right bottom corner, you can find the Contact Us button in case you need some extra help. Let's get started with your first online lesson. Your first lesson is completely free, with no obligation to buy further lessons. Let's see how to book your first free trial lesson. Choose a convenient date for your lesson, but not earlier than 2 days from the current day. Click the Add a Lesson button, choose the time for your lesson, click the Apply button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Then, please wait for the admin to approve your lesson. This might take up to 1 business day. Grey lesson status means that the lesson awaits approval. Green means that the lesson is approved. After the lesson is approved, you will receive a notification and a link to the lesson. Make sure you are on time. Once your teacher is online, your lesson will start. You will first see a small introduction, and then on the top right you will see your teacher. You may now start sharing your audio and webcam. Once communication is correctly established, you can see and hear your teacher. Your teacher can now share a whiteboard or a document with you. You can make a snapshot of the page at any point, or directly print the whole document at the end of your lesson. Feel free to book more lessons by purchasing one of our packages. Liden Denz offers the following packages: a single lesson, 10 lessons, or 25 lessons. Once you have added a package to your basket, you will be transferred to the payment page where you have 2 payment options. Either print the invoice and pay via bank transfer, or pay it online via card. If you have a discount coupon, you can enter it in the special field. If you prefer an offline payment, please download your invoice in a checkout step or in your payments menu tab and pay by bank transfer, according to the details specified at the bottom of the page. As soon as your payment reaches us, you will receive a notification email and therefore be able to define your schedule. If you submit your payment online, you can immediately proceed with planning your lessons. You can add several lessons at once if you wish to do so. I hope you found this short tutorial useful. Enjoy learning Russian online with Liden Denz.